This is the little kitchenette area, and underneath the table I keep my Yeti cooler, and this table actually folds down and this turns into a bed if you want it to have some extra guests along with you. Up top we have our little kitchen toaster area. This is the refrigerator, and this is my lily hall, a little tropical themed wall. And this is the kitchen. Everything's still in the Tiffany blue all the way throughout. I'll give you guys a peek. This is just a storage area. Also has where the microwave is plugged in at. I decided to do the kitchen in a Disney theme. And let's check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom. There's plenty of room in it. I'll give you guys a better look. And it is, of course, also lily themed. Then we have the bedroom, which is definitely my favorite area. It is absolutely so cozy in here. I love the little chandelier that I have added in here. Kind of matches the one in the kitchen, and everything in here is, of course, lily themed and tropical themed as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tour of the Lily Pad RV, and I can't wait to show you all of the different adventures that I end up going on while I'm in the Lily Pad. Have a good day, y'all!